Welcome to Cabala Union!
Welcome to the Municipality of Cabala Union.
Municipality of Cabala Union. Caba was founded as a settlement in 1598 by Augustinian fathers with Don Agustin de la Cruz as their first man to rule. The settlement developed into barangay in 1692 with Don Luis Manongdo as the cabeza de barangay. It became a town in 1783 with Don Domingo Aragon as their gobernador silio. Cabala Union was also the birthplace of Diego Silang. Who is Diego Silang? Diego Silang is the one who led the Ilocos Revolt of 1762 to 1763. Silang was assassinated by Spanish authorities in 1763. Want to know more about Caba? Here are some places that you might visit when you come here in Cabala Union.
Day and night, lagi na lang akong slow. I work all night but I feel so kalma. Day and night, lagi na lang akong slow. Halika na sa akin ay sumama. Day and night, lagi na lang akong slow. Come Mr. Ganjaman, show the mahiwaga. Day and night, lagi na lang akong slow.
Here's a place that you must visit when you go in Cabala Union. Welcome to the Centennial Tree of Cabala Union.
The Wenceslao Acacia Centennial Tree. This 128 years old acacia tree is still growing robustly inside the Wenceslao Elementary School and National High School campus. It was purportedly planted in 1892 by the forebears of Don Vidal Wenceslao, former owner of the lot. This gigantic centennial acacia tree looks like a large umbrella which practically covers most of the school ground with its large roots sprawling within approximately 20-meter radius. It is a silent witness of war, peace, and innovation that took place in the area. It is continually adding up years with each its existence.
Day and night, lagi na lang akong slow. Come Mr. Ganjaman, roll up Sinsimilia. Day and night, lagi na lang akong slow. We got the beautiful girl named Maria Juana. Day and night, lagi na lang akong slow. Kasama kayo sa
Welcome to Cabala Union!
Caba is also known for its enticing beaches along the coastal barangays of Wenceslao, San Carlos, Santiago Norte, and Santiago Sur. It highlights a peaceful view where one can enjoy the beauty of the sea while enthralling the view of the ocean sunset.
Before leaving Caba, don't forget to try the fruit farms of Cabala Union. First is the Guapol Farm. Welcome to the Guapol Farm here in Cabala Union.
Guapol farming is one of the main livelihood of the residents of Barangay Wenceslao, San Carlos, and Orayong in Cabala Union. Guapol is also one of the main crops here in Cabala Union. So, what do you say? Do you want to try guapol?
Welcome to Seniegas Grape Farm here in Cabala Union.
Grape farming was also the one of the main livelihood of residents of Barangay Wenceslao, San Carlos, and Orayong, Cabala Union. After the long sightseeing here in Cabala Union, your visit will not be complete until you go to the Pasalubong Center of Cabala Union. Here, you can buy the creations of Caba people in their shops of various types of products made of grapes and guapol. They are also popular for their bamboo creations. Most of the local bamboo craft makers are seen in the Barangay Gana. The said barangay has been celebrating their bamboo craft festival since 2011. With the abundance of bamboo in the community, the people develop and learn the skills in utilizing this resource. Many farmers have engaged in making furniture beds, decorations, etc. Before I end this video, here are some clips that define the beauty of Caba, La Union.